Hi, this is Koshik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and I want to welcome you to another week of the immigration question and answer session. Today I'm going to talk about a question that I get from a few of my clients, and the question is, if I have a work permit, why do I need a green card? Well, I have to say that's an excellent question, and sometimes I can take that question for granted because I've practiced for over 12 years. But let's address that question. Well, the reason that you need a green card and you can't just stay in an EAD situation forever is because an EAD is based on an application of either a green card or another type of underlying status. So an EAD is temporary, whereas a green card, for most intents and purposes, is permanent. And it's important to note, though, however, if you committed certain types of crimes or if you abandon your residency, then you could lose your green card. But for most intents and purposes, a green card is permanent. Now, an EAD card, if the green card application that you applied for or the underlying status that you applied for that gave you the EAD, that EAD card is dependent upon the underlying status. So let's say you applied for a marriage-based green card and it was denied, but you got your EAD. As soon as that application was denied, your EAD is no longer valid. So let's talk about, what does it EAD stand for? EAD is Employment Authorization Document. Basically, it means you're allowed to work while you're in that underlying status. Finally, an EAD does not allow you to apply for citizenship. However, a green card holder can apply for citizenship after 3 years of being married to a U.S. citizen or 5 years if they're just a normal green card status. U.S. citizens are never deportable, while green card holders can be deportable in certain circumstances, and visa holders can also be deportable. I hope this answered your questions about what an EAD is versus what a green card is. And I invite you to contact our office. We answer questions like this all day long. You can reach us at 916-613-3553. And I want you to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And also, I want to thank you for bettering yourself, because by reaching for the stars, you're going to at least hit the moon. And by bettering yourself, you're bettering our country, and you're bettering eventually your family, and also your home country. Until next week, thank you.